welcome back to Wicked F-150. Look what the dealership did for me. So, if anybody been, following the channel and the issue update videos and everything like that, you know that I have not been a fan of this dealership's service department at all. Cannot stand the service department. No, not even a little bit. Even an oil change is iffy. But the sales manager, Robert, and one of the salesmen there, Nathan, both of them, amazing. They definitely hooked me up with this truck. This is my replacement for my 18. Well, kind of. This is what I'm replacing the 18 with. Through RAV, if you guys watched the previous video, I was doing a replacement instead of a buyback. Switch that, no longer doing a replacement, I'm doing a buyback. So they are buying back that truck, and I just straight out bought this truck as, a regular normal customer again. But of course, rebates, deal, they definitely hooked me up. This is a 2019 XLT Special Edition. It has the Special Edition headlights, which are already, I love these headlights. But they're, of course, already leaving for the Alpha Rexes that I put on the 18. They are getting swapped out tomorrow. These special edition headlights are actually already sold. It has the STX grille, which leaves me with more emblems to paint. But it comes with 20-inch blacked out rims. I'll quote that because they're not really like black in the sunlight. They're kind of like a really dark gunmetal kind of color. But Hankook Dynapro AT2 wrapped around the special edition rims. And of course the special edition sticker the whole way down the side, and it wraps around the back. Then the F-150 emblems, red and black. It has the squared off exhaust. It does have bliss. This truck is equipped with FX4. Like I said, the special edition sticker the whole way around. For whatever reason, the latch here for the tailgate is now black instead of painted to match. So I don't know, we'll see about that one. But this one does have the tailgate step, which I love that thing. I may not be 60 yet, but body feels like it sometimes. That makes it nice. Like I said, bliss, FX4. This is the 2.7 EcoBoost. And that was the one I was hoping for. If I could only, now that we're doing a replacement, let me start there. Doing the replacement, if I would have continued that way, I would have been ending up with a 3.5. Because that's all I could find. I could not find a 2.7 in it. But the 2.7 is what I wanted, and this is it. I got what I wanted, thankfully. Like I said, bliss. It does have the pre-collision system in it. I don't know if you can see, yeah, right there, the little camera on the back of the rear view. But you can adjust that in your menu. You can adjust the sensitivity. You can actually completely turn it all the way off, which I love because I hate that system. I mean, don't get me wrong, it's great for safety and all of that, but I cannot stand a vehicle braking for me. My wife's car does that, and I don't know how many times it has slammed on the brakes for no reason. There was no reason to hit the brakes. Now, I am going to miss this 5.0. I loved this truck. I put a lot of time into that truck, but now I get to do it again with this one. And I enjoy putting in the work and doing things and making the truck my own. I hope that's why everybody else watches these videos, because they enjoy doing the same thing, and hopefully you can get some ideas from it. But let's go ahead and go to the inside here so you can see the difference. Now, like I said, it is still an XLT. It is just the special edition. Bliss is an added thing. This is the first thing I'm going to be doing is vent shades. Got them last month, but couldn't put them on until, didn't want to put them on and remove them and chance breaking them. So interior, as you can see, the seats are definitely different from the 18 regular XLT. They had the tread pattern going across, which I really love those seats. I thought they looked amazing. And I hate red. Honestly, I can't stand red. I'm pretty sure I said that in a review video before. But for whatever reason, this has just grown on me. I love these seats. I love the red stitching with the all black interior. It just pops and looks so nice. But sport, red stitching the whole way around. Seat belts, the red on the outside. Steering wheel, of course, I guess leather wrapped. The fake leather. It's not, you know, lariat or platinum leather, but it is still nice. It's not the XL or STX plastic steering wheel, but the red stitching. Gear shift is red. Console's red. Of course, seats match in the back. Then the instrument clusters here. You can see, of course, it's a sport, which, I mean, that's just the difference between the sport and a regular package. But this is also FX4. So the only reason this truck has that is because it's a special edition sport. But I do like the red here. Now, there you go. It does light up red as well, which does look nice with this black interior. I was hoping to get a black truck, actually, not another white one, and have the interior red popping like that. So, I mean, it's white, but it still looks nice with the black interior. Of course, 8-inch screen, backup camera, that is all the same. It does actually also have the LED spotlights for the under the mirrors, which are under here, which, I mean, it's a nice little feature, but I don't know how I'll actually ever, if I'm going to use that. It's nice, but I wouldn't pay for it if I was to build a truck. Of course, it's paid for it with this, but it also has the full panoramic moonroof. So let's go ahead and show that. We might have help of that to can ignition. Okay. Now, just pushed it once, let go, stops there, and the front opens. Man, that digging. I need to get on forescan big time. Now, pushed back again. Now, to completely open the rest of the roof, there. And it opens the rest of the way. And you have a full panoramic sunroof. Oh God, I got that dinging. Forescan will be done tonight. Man, that's probably one of my favorite things is that dinging, removing it with forescan. But there has actually been a lot of issues with the panoramic sunroofs, but I wanted to take a chance on it because I like it. It's nice. I think it looks great. And my daughter loves it. I mean, that played a big part into it. But I talked to Ford beforehand about these, and they just said make sure it's greased and lubed up and everything like that. And it really works fine as long as you stick to that maintenance schedule of lubing this. Which anytime there's water, or for whatever reason, if we go to a beach somewhere other than, you know, Oklahoma where there's none, and sand gets in there or anything like that, I'm gonna have to lube it up again. But regular maintenance schedule should take care of that, and I won't have any issues with it, hopefully. Fingers crossed on that. But that is about it. I hope you guys like the truck. I hope you guys enjoy this channel, and I hope that you guys keep watching and we can continue to grow together. Hopefully here within the next couple months, it's actually gonna kind of evolve a little bit more. I want to end up going to the auto auctions and rebuilding vehicles here and being able to videotape them for you guys, anybody that's interested in that. But like I said, if I do end up going down that road, it's going to be a while. Of course, got to have the extra thousands or however much the bid is going to be. You know, you got to have it just in case. at an auction. I don't have it now, so it may be a couple months. But stay tuned because it is in the works. Now, if for some miracle one of these videos just happens to go crazy and YouTube hands me a big old check, then, I mean, obviously it would happen sooner. But the way things are now, it'll be a couple months definitely before that's possible, but it is a thing that's coming. But let's go ahead and continue to mod this truck first. There are quite a few already on the list. Like I said, the vent shades for the windows are going on this evening. 4Scan is going to be plugged in, and a lot of stuff changed this evening. And then the level, the tires from the 18 are going onto this. That's getting done Tuesday next week. And what else? What else? Oh, I gotta take the dash cam from the 18 over here. The headlights tomorrow are going on this one. So there's a lot of work to do here in the next couple days to get this ready and get it done. So we'll continue to see what modifications we can make. I promise you I got a whole list of them. Probably about that long, and I write pretty small. There's probably at least 12 or 13 different other things that I didn't do to the 18 that I'm going to do to this truck. So stay tuned. I hope you guys have a great weekend, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.